Welcome to Alpha Phi Sigma, 80 years of unity, service, leadership, and academic excellence. Vivian Anderson Leonard in 1942 created Alpha Phi Sigma with a group of 17 students majoring in police science and administration at Washington State College. The chapter later became known as Alpha Chapter. And so it began, 80 years ago at this small college town in the Palouse in eastern Washington, now known as Washington State University. Now, in case you're thinking that we will recount decades of Alpha Phi Sigma history here, rest assured we won't, because we did this in our 75th anniversary video. For now, we can fast forward and say that Alpha Phi Sigma experienced tremendous growth, but not until the end of the 1980s, when Alpha Phi Sigma doubled in size to 120 chapters. Alpha Phi Sigma more than doubled again to 264 chapters by the time it celebrated its 60th anniversary in 2002. And it doubled in size again 5 years ago at its 75th anniversary in New Orleans. Despite its growth and profound changes in its structure over the last 80 years, Alpha Phi Sigma's interconnected ideals of unity, service, leadership, and academic excellence continue to reign within hundreds of local chapters around the world. Alpha Phi Sigma members are encouraged to inspire a just pride in the academic criminal justice field by encouraging greater communications among members and the criminal justice profession. Unity is demonstrated both at local chapters and at national conference activities where members plan events, and at every annual conference where Alpha Phi Sigma members unite, network, learn, and celebrate. Unity becomes the key to effective collaborations and partnerships that promote problem solving and service in the community. Hundreds of Alpha Phi Sigma chapters participate in service projects in their local communities, making a difference wherever they go. Community service projects assist both local entities as well as nonprofits, some of which are inspired by Alpha Phi Sigma's annual call for advocacy funding and a theme of the year, including rehabilitation, interdiction to addiction, mental health, and organized crime. These and other community service projects are featured regularly in Alpha Phi Sigma around the world in the newsletter The Docket. Service fosters growth in leadership, and leaders serve the community. Leadership development continues to be a main feature of membership in Alpha Phi Sigma. The initiation of national student officers every 2 years has been a hallowed tradition, replicated at local chapters across the country. At these initiation ceremonies, local officers are not only given the oath of office, but they also promise to uphold the Alpha Phi Sigma ideals. An officer position in Alpha Phi Sigma is a high honor that signifies an individual's growth and maturity. Officers are ambassadors of Alpha Phi Sigma during their term of office and promise to develop other members of the Honor Society by role modeling their behavior and participation in leadership workshops. Unity, service, and leadership are promoted while each member of Alpha Phi Sigma achieves high academic standards. Promoting academic excellence, as articulated in Dr. Leonard's original vision of Alpha Phi Sigma, has been a mainstay in the organization. Signature scholarships such as the V.A. Leonard Scholarship and the Regina B. Shern Scholarship are awarded each year to individuals who most represent the ideals of Alpha Phi Sigma and who will continue their education into the following year. The National Conference also awards scholarships for student papers, knowledge exams, and crime scene investigations. Upon graduation, Alpha Phi Sigma members who continue to achieve academic excellence wear official regalia signifying their scholastic achievements. Dr. V.A. Leonard's dream of an honor society dedicated to scholastic excellence continues today and beyond. Alpha Phi Sigma, 80 years of unity, community service, leadership, and academic excellence.